Hello, this is a demonstration of how we utilize the BrightSign, Roku's BrightSign media player, and the operating system on the hardware, and we install a single line of Pryster code to give us our patent pending edge of remote access to LAN networks. So we've loaded up a presentation. You can see we've carved it up into an L bar with the TV screen, and then two Chiron in the right side and on the bottom with a logo. You can see where you can set the parameters, when to hide and show. All this is on a standard media player, the way you set up a screen. Now, BrightSign allows you to do the hide and show seamlessly only on LAN, just like if you've got Chromecast or Apple TV, Firefox by Amazon, or Roku or Chromecast, it only works on LAN. You can see here that my box is connected to the same IP address as you show up here on this UDP, which again is a BrightSign feature. So I'm going to show you with this purple screen on the LAN network, I can seamlessly hide and show. But when I go off of LAN at the end of this presentation, I'm going to show you how I can control it from my phone. Now I have to set a schedule on the BrightSign operating system to when to hide and show and when to show presentations. It's only on the minute. So dynamic real-time ads can't be scheduled. They have to be a full minute interval. You can see here I'm trying to change the interval to less than a minute. It will not allow me. So if I want to change a presentation to reflect future events occurring or the drama of what happens on the next play, I have to create the content, schedule the content, and load it. You're talking 15 or 22 seconds. So in this presentation, I'm going to actually show even a already scheduled presentation with no new information. I'm going to try loading the file here. I have to publish it. So that's what we're doing here. I'm manually clicking the player uploading it, and you'll see the screen go blank for about 2 seconds. About a second to load, and about went blank for a second. And that's just loading the same presentation, no new information. I just did it again, and the screen is blanking out for about 2.5 seconds. Now, if I loaded new files, new presentations, new websites in the Chirons, it would take maybe 10 seconds. So again, here I'm showing you the things we can do. What you can do with BrightSign on LAN is hide and show and change content, edit content real-time seamlessly. And you can see I'm doing it on the IP address in purple. I'm on the LAN. I can change content, change the size of the ads, the placement of the ads, and it never interrupts live TV. The live TV stays always in the same resolution and aspect ratio. So again, I'm going to change back to a standard presentation, just an L bar. And every time I do, you see I have to publish the presentation. Doesn't really matter. I can do it from the cloud. It's a little bit slower. It takes longer. The key point here is that we're the only ones that can hide and show live content when it occurs in the future without any interruption in live TV. Even on billboards and signs, the interruption is bad, is difficult on the eyes, and even every form of sign is going to want seamless remote management of the content. Again, so I'm going to show you how we set this up. Now, the presentation properties, I can set the HTML sites. That's the vertical and horizontal chirons being the Pryster proprietary URLs. And here's the single variable, which is the patent pending single line of code that we can load on any BrightSign player to get remote LAN access, which I'm going to show you in a second. That can be loaded virtually from the cloud to any BrightSign player connected in the world, or better yet, we can get BrightSign to license our software to be on their operating system. Okay, again, I just uploaded it, had a blank here. And again, interruptions are just not going to work for any kind of inside live TV. Even the all commercial venues that have satellite TV have to sign a contract, and they would get sued if they interrupted a broadcast. So I can show you now that this is the URL that I'm going to use on my phone off of LAN to show you that I can hide and show and change the content all from my mobile phone. So I'm going to go show my mobile phone here in just a second. Even though this screen here you're seeing a little bit larger is how it looks on my phone. I hide show, and I can go for vertical, horizontal, vertical or horizontal chyrons. I'm changing the display the first inning at seamlessly. That's changing content. Now I'm on the horizontal chyron. I'm going to change it to the first inning ad. I can change it to a live auction for a special and hide it. So right now I'm going to use that same website here, that same URL on my phone. And notice that my phone will be on the network, on my wireless network. So it cannot be the LAN that's powering this BrightSign box. So you can see my phone is using mobile data. I'm not on Wi-Fi. And I'm going to click hide, and you can see it hides it. This is the proof of concept that anybody that's in the industry like BrightSign, Roku, when they do this, they can control our TV seamlessly without interruptions from anywhere in the world. That verifies our technology. So you can see again, I'm on my phone on mobile data. I'm not on the LAN that's powering this BrightSign box. That is the magic sauce. Thank you very much.